Hey public, Aerodor, aircraft hangars without pocket space. So not everybody is aware that you don't have to have a pocket for the doors to stack when a bottom rolling door is open. Yes, we do bi-padding doors where the doors can be stacked left and right in pockets, or we have unidirectional hangar doors where all the panels slide and stack in a pocket on one side. But we also have an option called floating hangar doors, which is a hangar door system that doesn't require any pockets at all. So I'm going to show you. So what we've got here is a simple elevation of a building with no hangar door on at present. I've just quickly dropped three random aircraft in here, and what we've got is the blue line, which indicates the width of the building end wall, and then really we want to have a opening width as wide as possible in order to make best use of the end wall. Now, what we'll do is, for the purpose of the example, we'll drop 6 door leaves into this opening. And these door leaves can stack behind one another like this. So there's no pocket. The doors are freely moving within the hangar door opening space. So the client has got about 83% of his opening space to work with here when the door is in a fully open position. All 6 leaves are stacked behind one another. So for the purpose of the example, if we were to say the opening width was 180 feet, which is depicted by that orange line, then 6 leaves would be 180 divided by 6. So the leaves are 30 feet each. And then if we subtract that 30 feet from the opening width, we end up with a 150-foot clear opening space. Now we stack these door panels behind one another at this end, but the truth is that these could actually be stacked anywhere within this opening. It's up to the client. So there's always access for at least 2 of the 3 aircraft to enter or exit this aircraft hangar at any one time. We could also change it so that there's 2 groups. So you're reducing the clear opening space, but you're also reducing the number of door tracks. So in this example, the opening is still 180 feet. There's still 6 leaves, which means each leaf is still 30 feet, but we're reducing the clear opening because it's 2 leaves. So now we've ended up with 180 feet less 60 feet. So now our opening at any one time is going to be 120 feet. And you can figure this out yourself. It's all simple math. Another example is we don't have to use 6 leaves. We could have used 8. We could have used 10. We could have used 4. If we use 8, then we'd take 180-foot clear opening, divide that by 8. That tells us each leaf is 22.5 feet wide. And that means that we end up with a 135-foot clear opening. Now, the last thing I want to share with you, which is completely different, but it's still an idea, is this thing, which is called an outrigger. And what it means is the building manufacturer provides a support network, a truss, for the hangar door track beyond the width of the building. Something else to think about. So I hope this little demonstration helps ignite some ideas. I also want you to go to www.aero-door.com. Go to all hangar resources at the top and click on hangar door configurations. There's information and animations of all the different types of hangar door configurations available. It shows you how they move and how they operate, their specifications. Have a look at that, then give me a call and I'll help you design the best hangar door for your project. Thanks for listening.